it's all done. So this is a tooth setter for setting the kerf on the saw blade. It's a fairly simple setup. If you want to adjust the tilt of the tooth, this here back and forth pushes the rod to bend it further, and then it alternates on the opposite side with this one. Here's the auto feed mechanism. This just is rollers that clamp the band in place. These pins here are the height adjustment. You want the gullet to be just about level with the plate, and this here and this one on this side, same thing, gets adjusted with this knob here. And that's about it. Down below you have the choice of automatic or manual, so I can press this button and then slowly do some adjustments if I have to, and then once I have it all set up, turn it on automatic, press it and let it go. And this is a counter, it's a digital counter. You tell the little computer counter how many teeth are on the blade, and after it runs through and does them all, there's a sensor back here. I'm going to turn this on, you'll see it light up. What happens is, as this bar here passes in front of this sensor, it lights up and it does an electronic counting. That's about it. So now that the blade is set, it'll go over to the sharpener, which I have to set up and get ready to work. And then that machine will sharpen the blades. One other mention is that this is an automatic tooth setter that I bought. And this is the motor here that you put on, you buy separately. And that's what does all the thing automatically. The manual crank is right here. And so you buy the manual one, and then if you want you can upgrade to an automatic one, and basically it's just a big crank. I'm just hauling it out here. So this is the crank, it comes with this attached, and this is just a hollow sleeve that's covering over the pin that sticks out for this crank. That's actually over covering the shaft here for the manual version. So like this is over here, and this crank is on here, and then you just, as the wheel, the sign indicates, you just, you crank to do it manually, or you can upgrade and get the motor, and then if you're doing a whole bunch of these can be setting while you're off on the sharpener, sharpening some other blades.